like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain, I know.
It's a gist, y'all. I should buy myself a new tripod for Christmas. Anyways. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new and for my returning kin folks, what's up? If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl, okay? Now, sorry that I look a mess, you guys. We are doing a little bit of maintenance, so I am in the bathroom. I'm getting ready to deep condition my hair and all of that, but here's the thing. Some of the stuff has to be ghetto-fied up because I don't have everything that I need, but I want to get my hair back healthy, and I want it to grow out, and I want it to be long, and I want my edges to grow, and I want to have edges, and I just want all of the things, okay, coming 2025. So before we even get to 2025, I need to go ahead and start now. So I'm going to go ahead and give my hair a little break from the wigs, okay? And we are just going to use some of the products that I have here at the house because I ain't about to run out to no stores or nothing like that, okay? Like, but I just went through like all of my hair products, see what I have, what I don't use, what I should be using, and I'm just going to try to figure out what's going to work best for my hair. So we get ready to be right here when it comes to this hair right here. But I just took my hair out of braids. I did have a wig on for these last couple of weeks. So yeah, let's go ahead and stop with the yapping and go ahead and get started. So as I was going through all of my hair products, I noticed that I have this Taraji P. Henson. It's Never Salty. This is a scalp exfoliation. Well, renew and exfoliation, and I really wanted to try it because I put so much stuff in my hair, from gel to what the heck is it called, edge control. Even though my edges is limited, I still be using edge control, like for what? And just my scalp just be getting filled with like a bunch of stuff. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use this before or after, but it does say rinse well and it's an exfoliation. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my hair while it's dry because the directions doesn't say. Oh, okay, so maybe I should. Well, I guess it makes sense to, okay, maybe I should wash it and then come back and exfoliate, rinse it, and then deep condition and all of that, right? Right. I mean, I just wish there was a little bit more directions to this on the back. Like, I don't know, maybe I should look it up. I'll look it up and we'll see what that says. Scrub, we gonna see. Start with section of hair. Okay, first of all, I don't need to know before or after. It's also a good idea to note that when learning how to clean scalp buildup, it's best to use your scalp scrub before any scalp shampoo, and to only use it after exfoliating your scalp. The next step is to follow with a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Okay, glad I didn't. But then why does it say that the hair needs to be wet? Because I'm not gonna wet my hair. Maybe I should. Maybe I should just wet the roots and then go through and then do what this says. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a spray bottle. We're gonna try this out. It's just us. We're gonna try it out. Okay. I'm seeing why you this is good. I see why you need to have your hair damp though, because this is like a sugar scrub. and ooh, that peppermint is still like getting to my eye, y'all, but it was good. So far I would say using this before I shampooed was a smooth 10 out of 10. It still has my scalp feeling very peppermint like, and like it's actually detoxing, and I feel the renewing and all of that. So this was really good. Good job, Taraji P. Henson. I'm actually happy that I bought that. I got that at, I want to say either Burlington or, nope, I definitely got it from Burlington. And on top of that, it was only like, sorry, I'm looking at it. It was only like $6, you guys. Look at that. An unbeatable price, okay? But anyways, I'm getting ready to go in with the olive oil deep condition. This one has rice water in it and all of that. I thought that I had more of the As I Am, so I don't. Okay, y'all, so I just rinsed the conditioner out of my hair. OMG, it is feeling so soft. My scalp is feeling so good. I'm getting ready to go in with the TGIN. This is a hair mask. This is a hair mask right here. It says to use it after you have used shampoo and conditioner on your hair and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my hair, and I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. It does say put a plastic bag over your head. However, this is where the ghetto-ness comes in. Just a wee bit, okay? Because I don't have a plastic bag, but I do have my shower cap. So I am going to use this because guess what? It's plastic. It's just not a disposable plastic bag, okay? So this should be fine. We're gonna go ahead and use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and we're gonna let it sit. Smells so good. All right, let's go ahead and let this do its thing. For how long does it say? Okay, sit in the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. We're not doing that tonight. Okay, leave on your hair for 35 minutes to an hour. What the hell? About an hour. That's fine. We'll work with it. I'm sure I've got something to do for 35 minutes. I got some laundry to fold or something. So I'm going to go ahead and go do that. Get the kids ready for school tomorrow. While this sits, be right back. What's up, you guys? I just finished up with my hair. You know, I really cannot stand this tripod. All right, what's up, you guys? So see, like, this tripod just going down. Got on this. I hate it. But anyways, what's up, you guys? I just finished doing my hair, so I was in here in the glam room just watching vlogs and stuff like that. I was gonna set you guys up while I did my hair, but I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, okay? And I ain't gonna hold you, it still did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. So I have, like, you know, I'm trying to keep it together because I really want to ugly cry. Like, have you ever like did something to your hair and you didn't really like it and it kind of makes you want to ugly cry? Like, that's what I'm going through right now, you know? Even at my big age, I'm ready to, like, ugly cry. But anyways, I just wanted to pick up the camera and say hey to you guys and show you my hair. I did a closure, right, and a quick weave because I get so tired of my wigs not fitting, okay? My wigs are always not fitting in the back, and I just kind of want to just give myself like a little break on the maintenance and stuff like that of a wig. So I decided to just kind of like go with a quick weave, but I didn't want to leave any leave out because I don't want to be straightening my hair, and I don't want to have to like do a whole lot to it because I am trying to grow my hair out. You know, earlier in the year I actually had cut my hair into a bob, so that's kind of like growing out. You know, I just got things going on, so I was like, let's go ahead and like fully put this hair up and not have any leave out. So that's pretty much what I've been going through. But anyways, what time is it? It's 2:51. I am getting ready to head to the bus stop to grab the kids so that I can get them and we can get started on the after school routine and stuff like that. But again, I just wanted to pick you guys up and stuff like that because y'all know once the kids get home, it's gonna be hard for us to talk. It's gonna be hard for us to talk. Turn some of these lights off. Why are your shorts all twisted up like that, man?
Okay, well, go to 3 mine old shorts when I was at Imani's house. She's a grown up. I know you don't remember her. Why are you doing cringy dances like that?
He's so funny. Come on.
No.
Oh yeah, the Christmas tree came, so we've got the Christmas tree.
But tomorrow.
And well, maybe the ornaments will be here today. If the ornaments are here today, then we can go ahead and put up the Christmas tree. If the ornaments get here in time. If they get here late tonight, count me out. You do it tomorrow. Okay, sorry, I got Kai over here trying to open up the stuff before I can get it open. I'm trying to make sure he don't run across something he ain't supposed to be running across. But they're like, no, these are little trees. Yeah, they're to go around my fireplace.
Ooh, I know what's gonna happen.
These are so cute. And I thought it was going to be more lights because I need to fill 5 bushes, and apparently these are battery operated, so I gotta buy some batteries.
Gotta give
Dang, and now I gotta remember to cut them off. Like, why can't y'all just connect to something? But anyways, we're still gonna put these outside. We're gonna see what we can get with these, and then we'll leave it at that. Let me see.
What about the oven and put it right here?
No. He goes on the tree.
Oh, so those are ornaments.
Yeah. It's an ornament. Don't be trying to pull it off. What are you doing? You're rearranging my things on my table. What is happening?
Yeah, I'm decorating.
This is a pack of 44 or whatever. However, y'all, this is not gonna be However, this is not gonna be enough. It's not gonna be enough.
Do you say?
I mean, I guess it is 44 pieces when you look at it. However, I'm definitely gonna have to buy another one. That's okay. We can do that tomorrow. Hey, good morning. Let me see if I can like put y'all right here without it. Good morning, you guys. How's it going? We are dressed for the day and everything like that already. Sorry y'all, I got hair like all on my desk right here, but I was just sitting here and I started off cutting my hair in layers. Okay, I started off cutting it in layers, and then I noticed I wasn't really cutting layers. Okay, I was cutting this hair shorter. I mean, like, I do have some layers, but because I'm not a pro at this, I'm no hairstylist. There's a piece of hair on my nose. Anyways, since I'm no stylist or anything like that, didn't really turn out how I was hoping that it would turn out, but the bob is cute. Okay, it's kind of similar to the bob that I already have with my natural hair. I've just been sitting here trying to figure out how to cut this so it's all even and it doesn't look crazy. So that's what we're doing. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking while I go ahead and cut this other side and the back. So you guys wish me luck. I'm gonna let y'all watch, because at first I wasn't gonna do that, because just in case I mess up, I'm like, I don't want nobody to witness this, but it's fine. I feel like y'all didn't see me bald headed before. Again, I'm not a professional, so I'm just doing what I can. I'm doing it until it looks good. So hopefully this is not a pixie cut by the time we're done cutting. See, I'm just not good. That's too long. It looks decent. It's getting there. Okay, let's go ahead and knock out this other side. Lord, be with us. Be with me. This is not an easy process. I'm just happy this isn't my natural hair that I'm trying to cut. I'm like, God, please, help. Send reinforcements. Okay, we looking decent. We're getting somewhere. Like, I sure don't know how to cut no hair, but I know exactly how I be wanting stuff to look. I don't know. We're getting ready to go to therapy, so I'm like, do I curl it now or not? Maybe I should. We got like 15 minutes before I need to call my Uber. Y'all, I got this hair from the beauty supply store, and I also got this closure from the beauty supply store. So I wasn't really sure how it was going to work out. The knots really didn't bleach how I needed them to bleach, so I was concerned, but I needed my hair done, and I'm happy that I don't be giving up. Okay, I will literally manipulate my hair until it looks like how I need it to look, how I like it to be. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and curl this hair up. I'm gonna let my phone charge. I'm gonna let y'all charge so that y'all can go with me to therapy. Okay, we like the messy look a little bit. I just hope this side can kind of get with what this side is spitting out. Like, I put a little bit more curls on this side because I was like, well, maybe I do want a little bit more body. And I want the body, however, I need the body, yaddy yaddy, the body on both sides. Okay, don't make the hair work for you. Oh wait, don't work for the hair, you make the hair work for you. Please work for me. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think. It's cute, like, it's giving something. Like, I don't know. You know, it's giving like back in its day. Okay, and we're just gonna go with some black frames. I'm good. How are you? Good. I'm doing good. Thank you. I'm being more intentional about getting dressed, and I am good. I do have some tea. So, you know.
You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.